Bird and Kip, Episode 42, The Funny Book. Kip was laughing. He was very loud. Bird could not sleep.
Please be quiet, Kip,
Said Bird.
Sorry.
Said Kip. Kip read some more. Kip laughed. Bird tossed and turned. Kip laughed. Bird covered her ears.
Ugh,
She said.
I can't sleep. Kip is keeping me awake.
Bird flew up to Kip's hole.
Kip,
Said Bird.
I'm trying to...
Kip laughed.
Hey, Bird,
Said Kip.
this book is so funny. Here, read this part.
Kip gave the book to Bird. Bird read. Bird laughed.
That is funny.
Bird sat down. She ate some popcorn. Bird read some more. Bird laughed.
Where did you get this book?
She asked. Kip didn't answer.
Kip?
Said Bird. Bird looked at Kip. He was asleep in his bed.